guys? It's me, Taylor. I'm not showing my face this time. I really like it. Back here at Lafayette, aka my old school. And what we got for you here, well, the first unit we actually have is a Frigidaire, 15,000 BTU air conditioner. Right here. Sorry about that, that's the wind. It is 15,000 BTUs. It's got a highly rotary in there. It's AHAM certified. It's got a mounting bracket. Pretty darn good. Something's wrong with that. The condenser doesn't really fit. And of course, it's just going to use this Grill Guard. Here's the logo. Here's the top of it. Here's the inside of there. You can't really see nothing. So, yeah. Anyway, I will see you guys later. That's the Frigidaire. Now we're going to go do other units.